Students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to the chapter tangents and secant to a circle is continue. So do these problems. Yesterday we solved into this first problem. Now second problem. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. So, this is a clock. In this, it is a minute hand. It is a minute hand. This radius is a how much? That is a 14 centimeters. This radius is a how much? 14 centimeters. This is a 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. So here, this is the minute hand. This is rotated in 10 minutes, this one. So we are finding the area is this one. We are finding the area the swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Okay, right. So we know the angle at a point is a 360 degrees. The angle at a point is 360 degrees. So in a clock, total around the angle is 360 degrees. Minute hand is rotated in 1 hour. That is 60 times. Minute hand rotated in 1 hour. How many times? 60 times. Now, how much angle rotate in 1 hour? How much angle rotate 1 hour? And that is rotate the total one round. So that is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So in 60 minutes, the minute hand rotate how many degrees? 360 degrees. In 1 minute, how many degrees rotate this one? In 1 minute. In 1 minute, that is the 360 by 60. That is the 60, 0, 0 cancel, 6, 1, the 6, 6, the, and that is the the minute hand rotate in 1 minute equal to how many degrees? 6 degrees. So that is the angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute. So total is how much? 360 degrees. 360 is divided by in 1 hour how many times rotates minute hand? That is the 60 times by 60. So 6 cancel, that is the 6 1 the 6 6 that equal to 6 degrees. Now angle made by the minute hand in 10 minutes. That is angle made by the minute hand in 10 minutes. That is 10 into per minute how much? 6. That is equal to how many degrees? 60 degrees. So let us, this is we take as a x degrees. Now length of the minute hand. Length of the minute hand is the radius of the circle. That is how many centimeters? 14 centimeters. Now the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. So here how much angle? This is the 60 degrees. So this is the radius. So this is the sector. This is the sector. So here area of the sector is equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square, where x is a 60 degrees and also r is a 14 centimeters. So x is a 60 degrees, r is a 14 centimeters. So 60 by 360 into pi is a pi value is a 22 by 7 into r square is a r into r. That is r is a how much? 14. 14 into 14. Now this is the cancel with 0 0 is the cancel. 6 1 the 6 6 the 36. 7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 14. 2 1 the 2. 2 3 the 6. Remaining, so here 22 into 14 by 3. Now 22 into 14. 22 into 14, that is 14 to the 28, 14 to the 28, 29, 30, that is equal to 308. It is divided by 3. So it is divided by 3. This will go to 3 1 is 3, remainder 0. Then so here we will take 0. This will go to 3 0 is 0, remainder 0. Next we will bring 8. So this will go to 3 2 is 6. Remainder 2, we put point, we take 0, this will go to 3 6 18. That means how much? 102.6 degree. 102.6 square centimeters. So the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes is equal to 102.6 square centimeters. Okay. Now let us see, we recall the how to find the area of the following geometrical figures as given. So first one, it is a rectangle, it is a square, it is a triangle, it is a circle. So here if the length of the rectangle is L, breadth is a B, then what is the area of the rectangle? What is the area of the rectangle? That is A is equal to L into B, that is length into breadth. And now the side of a square is equal to S. Area is equal to side square, that is side into side, that is equal to S square. Now area of the triangle, so here if base is a B, height is H, then what is the area of the triangle? That is half of the base into height, that is area is equal to 1 by 2 into B into H. Now radius of the circle is smaller, then area of the circle, that is A is equal to pi r square. So here where pi value is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now so here in this figures, how to you are finding the shaded regions. So shading regions, so this is the minor segment. So how to we are find out the area of minor segment? That is the area of the circle minus area of the major segment. So this is the major segment. So that is the area of the circle minus area of the major segment. Now in this figure we are finding the area of the shaded region, that is A. This is a minor segment. Now we are finding the area of the minor segment. How to we are finding the area of the minor segment? So suppose here this is, we will take a sector. So this is 2 radius, this is also 1 arc. So form a sector. So here area of the sector OACB. Area of the sector is a OACB. So here form triangle is a form. AOB is the triangle is a form. So here how to we are finding the area of the minor segment? That is the area of the sector OACB minus area of the triangle. So it is so here area of the triangle is take out from a area of the sector, then we will get a shaded region, that is a minor segment. So the area of the sector OACB minus area of the triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. Then we will get a shaded region. And also now we are finding the area of the major segment. Area of the major segment. So this is how to we are finding this one. So the area of the major segment is is equal to area of the circle, total circle minus shaded region. That is the major segment area. So area of the major segment is equal to area of the circle minus area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Okay, right. Tomorrow we will continue the class.